Hello, we are discussing about GATE 1999 ECE paper, and the topic we are discussing is digital circuits. Commercially available ECL gates uses two ground lines and one negative power supply in order to in order to reduce power dissipation, in order to increase fan out, in order to reduce loading effect, in order to eliminate the effect of power line glitches or the biasing circuit. So for what purpose the two ground lines as well as one negative power supply is going to be used in the ECL logic gates. ECL is nothing but emitter coupled logic family. Okay, emitter coupled logic family. So the commercially available ECL gates uses two ground lines and one negative power supply in order to eliminate the effect of power line glitches. In order to eliminate the power line glitches, that is the right answer is nothing but D for this one, because a constant current is drawing by a differential amplifier. ECL implies nothing but it is going to be consisting of a internally differential amplifier. It will be consisting ECL internally consisting of differential amplifier. Differential amplifier is nothing but, okay, you will be getting a circuit like this. This is a differential amplifier. So under this differential amplifier, the current flowing through this resistor is always constant irrespective of which transistor is on, which transistor is off. Otherwise both may be on. Okay, so this is the differential amplifier which you are going to get, which you are going to see in the internal circuitry of ECL. So a constant current is going to be drawing from the constant current is drawn by the differential amplifier even during transition from one state to the other. Let us assume one state implies nothing but if the output is going to be under, this is the output. If it is in on state, at that time this transistor will be in the off state. That is nothing but logic 1 and it will be treated as logic 0. Otherwise, if it is going towards 0, by that time this will be coming towards 1. So this is what the logic states you will get at the outputs of both transistors in a differential amplifier. So irrespective of the logic levels present at the outputs of those transistors of differential amplifier always draw a constant current even during the transition from one state to the other. So the power supply line should be free of noise and spikes. The power supply line should be free of noise and spikes, so that what happens, this is going to be using whenever the current is contributed by this transistor. If the current is contributed by this transistor, this should be having a separate ground line. Okay, so that current will flow in this direction. If this is going to be having in the on condition, this is going to be contributing the current in this total, and the current flowing through this one, current flowing through the resistor is contributed by second transistor. By that time it should have a different power supply, so that there is no power supply glitches, power line glitches will be present. Okay, so generally two ground lines and one negative power supply is going to be used to eliminate the effect of power line glitches. For that one it is going to be mainly used. The right answer is nothing but D.